Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Rava Toffee. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need 1 cup of fine semolina, also known as Rava, along with half a cup of rich ghee. Don't forget 1 cup of sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 cup of milk, and a small pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the cooking much easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Heat the ghee in a heavy-bottomed pan and add the semolina. Stir continuously on low to medium heat until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a fragrant aroma. This step is crucial for the toffee's texture. In another pan, combine your sugar and milk. Heat this gently, stirring until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved, creating a smooth syrup. Once your semolina is perfectly roasted and your sugar syrup is ready, it's time to combine them. Slowly pour the warm sugar syrup into the semolina mixture, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Immediately add the pinch of cardamom powder for that delightful flavor. Continue mixing until everything is well incorporated and the mixture thickens. Quickly spread this hot mixture evenly onto a greased tray. Let the Rava Toffee cool down completely at room temperature. This is important for it to set properly and achieve that perfect firm texture. Once fully cooled, use a sharp knife to cut the toffee into your preferred shapes, like neat squares or elegant diamonds. Arrange them on a serving platter and enjoy your homemade treat. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.